Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage OSD lock settings on your ACER Nitro XZ273U monitor. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the menu. Now here in the menu, we want to go over to the OSD, and this setting is right at the bottom. Here we can lock our OSD. And as you guys can see, now we cannot enter it. So basically what there's left to do is to enable it back. So I'll show you guys how to do that. So basically we need to hold the button for around 5 to 10 seconds. So press and hold. And now after a while we should get a notification that our OSD is unlocked. So we got our OSD unlocked. We just have to hold the joystick and now we can easily enter it. So that's basically it for the video. This is how you guys can easily set up and manage the OSD lock settings, and I hope you enjoyed it. So see you next time.